Alright boys, welcome back, and today I've got another sick video for you guys. But before we get into the video, if you guys can smash the like button and the subscribe button right now, that'd be amazing. Let's go for 20 likes on this video. And also, if you want to get your hands on a Season 9 Battle Pass in 14 days, all you've got to do is subscribe, comment down below Battle Pass, and like the video. And I'm going to be picking 2 random winners to win a Battle Pass once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm hoping we can hit 1,000 in 14 days. We'll see. So if you're not subscribed already, if you can help me out and subscribe, that would be amazing. But today's video, I've got another montage showing you guys the best settings. And I think in this video, I actually forgot to put my dead zone in here. So I'm just going to show you my dead zone real quick. Just because the dead zone, there we go. So I play on basically the lowest dead zone you can get, just because it helps me react quicker and stuff like that. But we actually got a win in this video. Literally, I've been playing since 10 o'clock. First game on, got a win. You know what I'm saying, boys. You know what I'm saying. We get wins like that. But, yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, baby, that was a nice snap. This guy's weak as fuck. So am I though.
So are you. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, where is this guy?
He's cute.
Be able to clutch a win when my teammates are dead. Got one. Nah, bye, Binari. Oh! Oh!
I said I'm knocking on your door.